Okay, so you are a dental practice owner and you want to hire a marketing agency to do marketing for you so you can get more patients, serve more people, and increase your practice's revenue. How do you evaluate a marketing agency? How do you know that they're likely to do a good job for you? And how do you know that they have your best interest at heart? I think that there are three criterias that you should look for. Okay? Number one, they sell you your objective. So basically, they're not selling you clicks, shares, likes, reactions to a post, and all that, but they sell you your objective. So whatever they do, if they do Facebook ads, Google ads, CEO, whatever it is, it all have to come down to your objective, which most probably is to get more patients through your doors every month. Okay? So whatever they do, whatever they um, sell to you or they try to sell to you, they should link this to how much more money you're gonna make and how many more people you're going to be serving on a monthly basis. Okay, so that's really important. They have to sell you your objective, not like some um, things which are not really that important for you. Okay, because clicks, yes, they do matter, but if those clicks don't convert into patients, then they mean next to nothing. Okay, they mean next to nothing. Number two is they don't try to force you to sign a 3 month contract or a 6 month contract or a 1 year contract. Okay? Collaboration contract, that's what I mean. And why do I say this? That is because this is the industry standard. You know, agency, most agencies, if not all of the agencies, are going to want you to sign a contract that, you know, makes them or puts them in a secure place that they're going to make money off of you for next at least 3 months or 6 months. Okay, and that honestly, even though it's the industry standard, I think it should be a red flag. Now don't get me wrong, there are some strategies, some marketing strategies or some techniques. For example, CEO, search engine optimization, will take longer than paid ads, Facebook ads or Google ads, in order to see results. However, still, I don't think anyone should sign a 3 month contract or a 6 month contract. And that's because you should be able to leave or to, interrupt the partnership whenever you want. Okay, you should have full control over this. So just find an agency that is willing to go on a month by month period with you. Okay, you should be able to quit after 1 month. Like, you should be able to tell them, hey, I don't want to continue. You should not be forced to sign a 3 month or a 6 month contract partnership with anyone. That's my opinion, at least. But you do whatever you want. But that for me would be a red flag. And number three, and I think this is extremely important, they will offer you a guarantee. Just as with, an agency that does not asks you to sign a 3 month contract or a 6 month contract, this shows that they know what they're doing. This shows that, you know, they trust in their skills, okay? And they put their money where their mouth is. So they offer you a guarantee. So for example, it can be, maybe they can guarantee you 5 new leads every month, or they give you the money back. 5 new leads in the very first month, and then they give you the money back. Or 5 new leads, I guarantee 5 new leads, or I work for free until I achieve that. It can be anything along those lines, but I think it's important that they do offer you a guarantee, because that shows that that agency or that freelancer trusts his or her process, okay, and really believes that he or she can get you results, basically. Okay, so there it is. These are the 3 criterias if you want to hire a marketing agency or a freelance marketer to do your ads for your dental practice. I think you should consider those 3 criterias whenever you're vetting them. Okay. Now, if you want to work with me, if you want me to run your ads for your dental clinic, basically that's my objective, to help you get more patients. That's my sole objective. I don't care that much about showing you how many people clicked on an ad, how many impressions you've got from an ad that I created and all that. I don't care that much about that. I only care about how much money you put in and how much money you're getting out. At the same time, just as I said, I'm not forcing any of my clients to sign a 3-month contract or a 6-month contract. My clients can leave me at any time. And on top of that, I don't work with just about anybody. I only work with dental practices that I know I can help for a fact. And that is why I'm also offering a guarantee. Okay? Now, if you want to know more about this, I would strongly suggest you book a free call with me. We will sit down, we will talk for about 30 minutes. I will learn more about where you are right now, where you want to go, and we'll see if I can help. Worst case scenario, if I cannot help you, I will still give you a couple of suggestions of what I would do as a marketer to improve your situation. So booking a free call with me does not mean that we will have to work with each other. Okay? If you're interested, do it. There's nothing to lose from this call. There's everything to gain. I'm going to share all of my knowledge and my expertise with you, and how I helped other dentists and dental practice owners achieve great results. So looking forward to meeting you, and see you in the next video. I hope this helped.